Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change theme on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in a device. Then, find the chat on which you want to change the theme. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap anywhere on your screen. Next, you can see the option of various type of themes. Tap on the theme of your choice. Then tap on select. So, this is how you can change theme on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.